Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Banknifty and Nifty are going to be expiring on a monthly basis and what are the key levels to look out for tomorrow. So if you want to understand the live trading profits that we have made today, please visit the Telegram channel that has been linked in the description below and join us on the Telegram where you can track us the last 7 months live trading profits. And plus also, if you want to live trade with us, please go to www.rltrgroup.com and join us so that you can join our expiry trading tomorrow at morning at 9 a.m. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what exactly is happening over here. So we today, I would say that whatever this indices has done is actually created a V-shaped recovery over here on Nifty 50. We understood that somewhere around anything below 15,500 would be very devastating for the market. So we were waiting to go ahead and see what kind of candle does that 15,500 make. Now, if you would have seen my levels for yesterday, in my yesterday's video, I think all of them have been achieved. You can play them, play the previous one back, and this has been, quite a success. I want to tell you that anything above 50% of whatever was, fallen today, the retracement, the Fibonacci retracement, that would be 15,646, will act as a crucial support for the index tomorrow. And this level, which would be the high for yesterday, will also be the crucial level for tomorrow for Nifty 50. So if by any chance, if we open within this 100-point range, we are going to expire within this range and we are not going to have anything, more to do for the entire day. But remember, tomorrow is the monthly expiry, and usually during the monthly expiry we have a lot of action that happens in Banknifty. So get set for heavy weather tomorrow. And these are the crucial points that you would need to remember. But if, let's say, there is a volatility spike in the US Fed meeting and things go good, then we can actually open above 15,778 or open below 15,648. But if that happens, then we have a target over here. So this target must be noted. If we gap up and cross this level of 15,777, then we can even aim for 15,884. And if we somehow gap down and cross 15,646, then we can aim for a quick target at 15,534. You will only get a hero zero if, let's say, Banknifty crosses 15,540, after 1:30 or 2 o'clock, then is when you will see the hell breaking loose over here in Nifty 50 for a hero zero. And let's go ahead quickly look at Banknifty. So Banknifty, the crucial level is actually 34,000. Okay, anything below this is a straight pit. Okay, so 32,000, 31,000, 30,000 opens for Banknifty below this. Now, a lot of banks are, weak today, but the ones who are easy right now, are ICC Bank and IndusInd Bank. If they would have fallen today, I don't think there would have been much of a recovery over here with Banknifty. But however, remember, tomorrow it'll be the same with the Fibonacci retracement over here. The 50% of this retracement is going to be a very strong support for the Banknifty. So as soon as we open around this particular area, anything above 34,473 will still be a buy side scenario for us. But however, let's say if that is not taken care and, let's say if it crosses below 34,473, then there is a highly likely possibility that we can reach for a target of somewhere around, 400 to 500 points over here at 34,000. And if, the Fed meeting gives a little bit of, positive momentum to the indices around the world, then this 300-point target over there on the top will actually open up. So this is, very key level for tomorrow. But remember, if we open here and don't break anything, please do not initiate any trade, because under this zone, it'll remain sideways and it'll expire worthless. So between 34,473 and 34,833, there is no opportunity for buy. Only momentums of buy and sell will be about 34,833 and 34,473 at the bottom. So please keep this in mind. And also today, a lot of people, messaged me personally on a Telegram and told me that they made a lot of money over here in Dr. Reddy. I would want to congratulate them as well. Now, like I told you guys, it's not about how much it has fallen down. It's about what kind of momentum does this particular stock have. So over here, Dr. Reddy has actually gone ahead and as soon as it crosses 4778, it gave a quick target of somewhere around 2%. I think this is what I had mentioned here with this arrow yesterday. So that 2% target was achieved. So Dr. Reddy will still be under the radar, guys. Now remember, until and unless there is a 50% recovery on any given point of day. Now there was no recovery on the previous day. For previous day, it for it to actually say it has recovered, it had to cross 5,100. Now for today, what will happen is we'll take the bottom and the Fibonacci right over here onto the top, and over here it is almost trying to go ahead and break at 50% and retrace itself, but it actually cannot go ahead and do that until unless it moves above 50% of the retracement of the fall or the direction that it is doing. It has not changed the direction. So still, if there is any level of somewhere around 36,663 is being broken, then you can actually now keep short targets of 1% and then follow it towards the bottom. The next stock over here for today we have is Infi. Now Infi is a perfect candidate of a V-shaped recovery, so that means it has shown a proper momentum. So this is the reason why I have selected this stock. So remember, a point from here till here gives it a bullish momentum. So anywhere across, let's say this particular trend line which is coming from here, okay, is being broken. Now it is almost broken over here on the last few minutes at the end of the day. But however, as soon as we open and if we cross this particular level, then you can easily go ahead and look for an target of somewhere around 16,111. And if we sustain over there, let's say if there is a scenario and if we sustain over there, then we are going to have a decent amount of another 1% target that you can actually aim for. Over here, there is going to be a bullish kind of a momentum. So, please be very careful with IT stocks, because I think, the China stocks are actually facing a bit of a pressure that might give opportunity to IT stocks over here in India, but I don't know. But that's what is a rumor. But however, please keep in mind as to whatever is happening, and Infosys and Dr. Reddy would be the selections for the day. So with this, I thank you so much for your time for the day. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. I hope my analysis helps you make money. We'll see you on another video tomorrow. Take care. Love you all. Jai Hind. Goodbye for now.